We will begin with Act 1, Scene 3. Act 1, Scene 1 had taken place in the street of Venice, and we see Antonio was sad and his friends were around, and Bassanio was expressing his wish to have 3000 ducats to go to Belmont. And in the second scene, we see Portia and Nerissa speaking about the suitors, and we come to know about the lottery devised by her father, and we see last that Portia was so convinced her father had really devised a lottery which would bring her a good husband. In the third scene of the first act, that is the last act in it, it is taking place a public place in Venice. We see Bassanio and Shylock. In the first act, scene 1, we saw Antonio asking Bassanio to go about Venice and find out where he could get money. Now he found Shylock and we see him requesting for the money. Shylock, 3000 ducats. Well, Bassanio, sir, for 3 months. Yes, sir, for 3 months. Shylock, for 3 months. Well, Bassanio, for the which, as I told you, Antonio shall be bound. So Antonio will be the surety. He would be bound for the money. Shylock, Antonio shall become bound. Well, Bassanio, may you stead me? Will you help me? Will you pleasure me? Will you do a favor for me? Shall I know your answer? May I know what is your answer to that? Shylock, 3000 ducats for 3 months and Antonio bound. Bassanio, your answer to that? What is your answer? Shylock, Antonio is a good man. So Antonio is good enough. Bassanio, have you heard an imputation to the contrary? Imputation means allegation or blame or something against someone. So have you heard anything against it? Shylock, oh no. My meaning in saying he is a good man is to have you understand me that he is sufficient. So what he is meant by he is good? That he is sufficient to be a surety for the bond. Yet his means are in supposition, though his means means his resources are in supposition. Supposition means risk. It is at risk. He hath an argosy bound to Tripolis, another to the Indies. So he has his ships gone to Tripolis and another gone to Indies. I understand, moreover, upon the Rialto, he hath a third at Mexico. Rialto is the Venetian stock exchange. So he had heard people speaking at Rialto. Rialto is the Venetian stock exchange or stock exchange of Venice. So he have heard from them that the third ship is gone to Mexico and a fourth for England. So one ship has gone for Mexico, another for England. And other ventures he has, even other business ventures he has. Scattered abroad, squandered abroad. Squandered means scattered abroad. But ships are but boats. So he has many ships gone to different various parts of the countries or world. But ships are but boats. Boats means wooden planks. Sailors but men. But sailors are only human beings. There are land rats and water rats. Just like there are rats in the land, there are rats in the ship. Water thieves and land thieves. I mean pirates. Pirates are robbers at sea. So just like we have thieves in the land, there are pirates at sea. And then there is a peril of waters. There can be dangers of the waves because of the high waves, winds and rocks. The man is notwithstanding sufficient. So though he says Antonio is enough to be the surety for the bond, he is presenting all the risks that can happen to his business. 3000 ducats, I think I may take this bond. So he is deciding to take the bond. Be assured you may. He is telling be sure enough to make him a surety. Shylock, I'll be assured I may, and that I may be assured, I will bethink me. May I speak with Antonio? So he is telling, I have to be assured about it, and in order to make sure that he can be the surety, he wants to think about it, and he says that he wants to meet Antonio and speak about it. Bassanio, if it please you to dine with us, if you are willing to have a dinner with us, you can meet Antonio there. Shylock, yes, to smell pork. So he gets irritated here. He said, in order to smell the meat that you cook, to eat of the habitation which your prophet the Nazarite conjured the devil into. So you want me to eat the kind of animal on which your prophet the Nazareth, which means Jesus of Nazareth. Jesus was born in Nazareth, so he was called as Nazarite. Okay, so prophet Nazarite conjured means ordered the devil into. So he had ordered the devil into these animals and you are eating them. So you want me to eat that? I will buy with you, sell with you, talk with you, walk with you, and so following. So he is making sure or making his stand clear that he will buy with him, sell with him, talk with him, and walk with him. But I will not eat with you, drink with you, nor pray with you. So Jewish people have a ritual way of eating and drinking and praying. So therefore they do not join for these things with, usually they don't join with others. So therefore he says he will do business with them, talk with them and walk with them, but he will not eat with them, drink with them or pray with them. What news on the Rialto? So he says, what is the news going on in Rialto? Rialto, as I told you, is a Venetian stock exchange or stock exchange of Venice. Who is he comes here? He sees someone coming there. So he asks, who is that coming there?